Enphase Energy introduces the first commercially available microinverter for residential and commercial solar PV applications. An Enphase Micro-inverter is a revolutionary solar inverter that will significantly increase your customer's energy harvest, provide the highest possible reliability, and dramatically simplify your installation process. So, what is a microinverter? A microinverter is a fully integrated device that converts the DC output of a single solar panel to high-quality AC power. Every panel with a microinverter now gets the benefit of individual maximum power point tracking, thereby maximizing energy harvest. Microinverter technology eliminates the need for high-voltage DC wiring and a traditional central or string inverter. Here is the Enphase Micro-inverter. These are the mounting brackets for attaching the microinverter to the racking system. These DC cables are used to connect to the PV panel. The Enphase microinverters are connected to each other through the AC cables. First, please ensure that all electrical installations are done in accordance with all local electrical codes and the National Electrical Code. All work should be performed by qualified personnel only. The Enphase microinverters can be attached to almost all solar PV racking systems. Enphase microinverters are connected in branch circuits. Depending on the type of Enphase microinverter being used, you can connect up to 48 microinverters on a single branch circuit. Please follow standard procedures for the wiring of these circuits. Follow these 5 easy steps to install the Enphase microinverters. The installation procedure is the same for residential and commercial installations. Step 1. Install the AC branch circuit junction box. Install the Enphase adapter plate. Mount any outdoor rated junction box to the adapter plate with an optional AC disconnect switch. Pull a continuous ground conductor through the junction box. Now, connect the Enphase AC branch circuit cable to the junction box. Step 2. Attach the Enphase microinverter. Mark the approximate centers of each PV panel on the racking system. Attach the Enphase microinverter using the racking manufacturer's hardware. Step 3. Connect the Enphase microinverters. Connect the first Enphase microinverter to the Enphase AC branch circuit cable. Connect the remaining Enphase microinverters to the branch circuit. Ensure that the connectors are securely locked. Please see the product label for the maximum allowable number of Enphase microinverters on one branch circuit. Attach the included protective end cap onto the unused connector of the last Enphase microinverter. Step 4. System grounding. Connect the ground conductor to each Enphase microinverter in the location marked Grounding Electrode Terminal. Torque the ground clamp screw to about 20 inch-pounds. Step 5. Enphase Installation Map. Peel one of the 2 labels from each Enphase microinverter and place the label on the Enphase installation map to show the relative physical location of the panels. Provide the installation map to Enphase after completion. The installation map allows Enphase to provide you with detailed information regarding the performance of your PV system. Connect the PV panels to the Enphase microinverters. Congratulations! You're done. This completes the installation training for the Enphase microinverter system. You're now ready to install the industry's most sophisticated solar PV microinverter. An Enphase microinverter will significantly increase your customer's energy harvest, provide the highest possible reliability, and dramatically simplify your installation process.